Hi, this is Tony Self, providing some education. I am going to do something different. I've been watching a lot of different types of videos. I've been considering of teaching again in a university. I used to be a extension professor at the University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA. Go Bruins. Loved it there. Loved Westwood, but the drive was horrible. And I want to do some more education, especially with artificial intelligence and things that I know. But I'm not going to go traditional, going back to the academia walls or whatnot. Instead, I'm going to go ahead and put this on YouTube, build up all these items that I'm learning, share them with you, and hopefully you enjoy it. So today's video is what I've been discovering about how awesome Google Gemini is. I'm telling you, Google has hit it out of the park. They are ahead of ChatGPT right now. I tell my students and those who I speak on the subject that ChatGPT is going to be the winner, and they will be there. But I thought they had such an advantage over Google because Google was hesitant of launching the AI models that they use because obviously their business model is based upon Googling. But they have really stepped up. So I was initially, to give you an example, I'm doing this video, and I'll show you here. This is a video I recorded on the DJI Osmo 2, or is it 3? Pocket 3. Great. And this is day 3 of the dog ad.
Okay, day 3. Beowulf is now going to find out if this is more chicken.
I won't ruin the surprise for you, but the video itself, so I would take that video, then I would bring it into CapCut, and CapCut's amazing. Just to kind of show you here, I'd take that, drag it into CapCut, and you can see I got the video here, and this is the actual source video, and then you select it. I do some enhance of the audio. I'll add the captions. So now, and then I went ahead and created a little Christmas day. It says day 3, dog advent. You see the same thing here.
Okay, day 3. Beowulf is now going to find out if
the captions are absolutely key. So that's what I put through using CapCut. Then I export it. Go here, file, export it out. Then I get this nice little file that's all ready to go. It uses numbers. And I have it saved to my desktop. Let me go ahead and bring that on over here. Ooh, I'll bring everything over. So now I got this video.
Day 3. Beowulf is now going to find out if this is more chicken. He's sitting there.
And now you can see this is ready to go. So what I would do is I would take this video and go ahead and then get the subtitles from it because it's in the audio. And I'd use an application called MacWhisper Transcription. And then I'd take that transcription, I would drag the video to here, then I get the transcription, then I would put that into ChatGPT and ask it to create a YouTube title and description for me. Now, what's different is this. I'm not doing that anymore because I discovered that Gemini, you can just drag the video to it, which is crazy. Oh, the VO3, super sexy, as well as also the Nano Banana, amazing. So all you do is you take the video. I'll grab that video. This is the video here. You just drag it on there, drop the file. It's about 29.6 megabytes. There's the file. Not even drag in the transcription or anything at all. And then I just put the prompt in there. The prompt is, this is from yesterday, day 2, put day 3. Create a title and description for a YouTube short based upon this video and subtitles. Also create a generic Instagram reel post. I'm going to be posting this to a number of different channels. I use a great tool called Blotato coupled with N8N. I can show you how I do it, but it's a little involved, and I'll probably do another video on that one too, but amazing. So let's go back. And so I just drag the video, no audio, the subtitles I normally would do. And then I just click that, say submit. And now Gemini, again, too, one thing you have to realize is that Gemini is Google. And who owns YouTube? Google. So this makes sense. And I'm not sure if I can do this in ChatGPT. I should try it out. Let me try it out right now real quick. See if I can actually move over a video while we're waiting for that. Let's see if it does the same thing. We're going to run it side by side. I haven't done this. Let's see what comes up with which. These engines are changing all the time. So if it comes and it does a nice little subtitle thing, this will save me some time. All right, it can't do it. So I was able to drag the MP4 file, which is that one video file, to ChatGPT 5.1, and it can create a title description, but I'd have to go through that whole process, which I was doing, which is extra time. But in Gemini, I go here, And there it does. Here are the titles and description based on the video of Tony and Beowulf. Got Beowulf. That's also that's correct pronunciation of it and spelling. And give me some title ideas. Day 3, Great Dane versus Trader Joe's Advent Calendar. Is it chicken again? Day 3, Dog Advent Calendar reveal. And then the description, Day 3 of the Trader Joe's Advent Calendar for dogs. Beowulf the Great Dane is back to see if today's treat's different. Spoiler, it's probably chicken. Watch to see the taste test, slobber aftermath, and Beowulf's post-snack celebration roll. And then so this did it all ready to go, which is awesome. So now I don't have to go to Whisper Translation. Transcription, which is a great software, by the way. You can take any audio files, MP4 files, and it will do transcription, create SRT files. And usually that's what I'll do for the YouTube if you want to have that. But that's kind of saves a step. And I wonder if we can create an SRT file. Can you create a SRT file for YouTube? I just put that in the screen here. Go ahead and show the screen. And let's see if it can do it. If it can do it, then I will not need some software. This is why you always should get monthly subscriptions to software, because what I'm finding is I have a lot of subscriptions, and the ones that I do annual, unless I know I'm going to use it all the time, they're starting to get replaced because all of a sudden these LLMs are creating or they're adding this additional item in there. So it's thinking about that. So now I was going to tell you what I do with posting it. How I post it is I have an N8N server, and I created an automation, and I'm using the Atlas browser, Chat Atlas browser. And you'll see here's my N8N server. I'll load this bad boy up and see if it's loading up or not. Must be it says default. Nope. Let's see. Connection loss. Why is that not going up bookmark wise? This is part of the fun stuff. That's not working. Let's see here. Find the link. And we will edit this out of the video while I figure out how to post it to the video, Blotato. Okay. Now it's working. All right. So I just had to open this in a new tab, which you shouldn't be able to do that. So this is my workflow. This is a server I have. I have to log into it. And these are the different types of automations I have. And this will automatically post based upon my different automations, and they do a number of things. So I created this one called Post Video to Hunter Mason Sites. Now to do this, I dropped this onto a Google Drive, that actual video that I had before. And that title and caption come from, so let me show you how that looks. And I'm going to go over here because I want to make sure I don't show you all my secret stuff. All right. So I'm going to upload the folder to, oh wow, it created this SRT file. Look at that. Okay. I don't need Whisper Transaction. It's amazing. Okay. So I star these things. So I'm going to save this up into my Blotato folder. And you'll see here, this is the Blotato folder. I'm going to save that one from CapCut because I need the link. I'll put that up there right here. And once I have it, it's 1203 MP4. Then I'll go ahead and copy the link, share, copy link. And the reason for that is the way I have it set up. When I upload it to my Atlas browser, which I'll show you in a second here, and I got a lot of browsers, but believe me, it works. It wants the media URL, which is from the Google Drive. And I'll upload it there. And we'll put the title as well. So I'll go ahead and upload it here. And then under the title, I'm going to take what it had for a title. Let's see. The first title I like is It Chicken Again? Day 3. Yeah, that's a good one. So I'll take that, go back to there, paste. And then the caption, Day 3 of the Trader Joe's Advent Calendar for Dogs. Subscribe for Day 4. All right. Then I'll go back. Then I have it here. So when you place ready to post, it will do it automatically. I click submit. And then my workflow will connect to the different servers. Let me show which one it is. I think it's under social auto. I have a social post. I think it's one post everywhere. I think it's this one right here. No, it's not that, but it kind of give you an idea. So these automations, they'll take you, get the Google sheet, and then it'll post the different channels that I have, which is a lot of channels. And I need to get a thing on that. But what's nice is when I go back here, I can go to Blotato and look under the calendar, and I can now see that my video is ready for posting. And I have it so it's staggered and it won't post all at the same time. It's going to post to LinkedIn, to YouTube, Shorts, to my TikTok channel, the Facebook for the brokerage, our personal website, the Instagram, and also there. So it's going to post to those different things, and you'll see it's going to post 126, this one same time, this 131. And that's what Blotato does, which it does an amazing job. That's how I use Gemini, which I was blown away. I did not know you can just drag an MP4 file or video file, and it will do everything that needs to be done. And now we have the video all posted, ready to go. So that's kind of some of the steps that I do. Hope you enjoyed this. This is Tony Self signing off and saying thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on tech. If you have any requests, please leave them in the comments. Like and subscribe, and we'll chat very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.